welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new, my name is Magda, fitness motivator and health coach, and I'm going to share with you my fitness workout today. Now, for those of you who are not used to working out, don't start a new routine if it's your first time exercising. But for anything, I'm willing to share my routine with you, so let's go. Biceps and legs at the same time. I balance, focusing on one leg at the time because one leg tend to be stronger most of the time, and I'm going to throw in a row. So it's just a single leg deadlift. Come back up. Track shoulders, come down. Row. Make it short. Slowly come down. Come up. Roll it out. Just take a lot of mind.
Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memory.
Work upper and lower body at the same time. So right now, this is a way that I like to just incorporate a total body hit. Tricep extensions, focusing on that muscle right here. So that helps to tone and tighten the back of your arm. Going for 10 reps, 12 reps, this is 12. Now I'm going to incorporate some shoulder movement, some upper body exercise routine. So I'm going to perform a shoulder press while sitting on the chair. Good for your chest, and when you roll it, that's where you work on your back as well. So that's 2 for 1. Complex movement. Woo! my full body exercise routine. Again, always consult with your doctor if this is your first time starting an exercise routine while you're pregnant. I wouldn't recommend anyone who's not used to exercising start exercising while you're pregnant. Speak to your doctor first, consult with your doctor. But I'm 100% clear to do everything that I used to do previously to pregnant, so that's why my intensity level may be different from those who have just started. Thank you again for joining. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. I'm going to share with you a quick recipe that I've created, taco style salad. Now I made this ground turkey with beans and bean sauce. Ingredients in the description below to show you exactly how I created this. Use some cheese on top. This is going to be a higher fat salad. Oh, I forgot my guac. I have to grab my guac. Got the guac out of the fridge. Because I'm not using any carbohydrates, I want to draw my energy source from fats. That's why you see the cheese is in here. Then I have the guac, sour cream as a source of fat. And I also added like some Gouda cheese inside of the sauce. All right, so I'm gonna grab the spring mix, grab some salad, and add some of this. Oh no. I'm using one hand, so this is a little difficult to do to use one hand. All right. You have your tomatoes, organic tomatoes. Oubliez. Okay. Organic tomatoes, sour cream on the side. All right. Add some guac. To do both at the same time. All right, adding some guac on the side. And what did I forget? Forgot salsa. Add the salsa. A little bit of onion salt, just to make it look pretty. I think I'm going to add some more. All right. Top it off with onion salt. And there you go. Let me see if I can avoid the shadows in the background. If I could get a clearer view of this. Mostly fat. Fat is another source of energy. So that's a different alternative. I know there's a lot of people out there that does keto style dieting. And keto style is mainly a fat-based diet instead of implementing a moderate amount of carbohydrates. They use very little carbohydrates in their diet. So this is definitely a fat-dense meal. I wouldn't recommend any carbohydrates with this because fats are caloric dense. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, enjoy the recipe, and I'll see you next time. Take care.